Skeleton and muscular system. How many bones does an adult human body have? How many bones does an adult human have? 206. How many bones does a newborn baby have? How many bones does a newborn baby have? 270 to 300. Which bone is called the kneecap? Which bone is called the kneecap? Patella. How many bones are present in one human hand, including wrist? How many bones are present in one human hand? 27. What connects muscle to bone in the human body? What connects muscles to bone in the human body? Tendon. What connects bone to bone in human body? What connects bone to bone in human body? It's ligament. How many pairs of ribs does the human body have? How many pairs of ribs does the human body have? 12 pairs. Which is the largest muscle in the human body? Which is the largest muscle in human body? Gluteus maximus. Deficiency of vitamin D in children leads to which bone disease? Deficiency of vitamin D in children leads to which bone disease? It is rickets. Which gland in the body regulates calcium and bone density? Which gland in the body regulates calcium and bone density? It is parathyroid. Which type of muscle is found in the walls of the heart? What type of muscle is found in the walls of heart? It is cardiac muscle. Which of the following is not a type of joint? Which of the following is not a type of joint? It is anchor joint. Where is blood cell production carried out? Where is blood cell production carried out? Red bone marrow. Which is the strongest muscle relative to its size? Which is the strongest muscle relative to its size? It is, yes, jaw. Osteoporosis is a disease that affects which body system? Osteoporosis is a disease that affects which body system? It is skeletal system.